guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to add color to your text here on Discord. Now, if you're new here or if you find this video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below, as it really helps out the channel with the algorithm. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so adding color to text is actually not available in Discord per se. It is, but you do need a bit of a know-how. But there are actually third-party tools that make this a lot easier. So we're actually going to head over to a website that you can see right here, and it's actually here called Rebane's Discord Colored Text Generator. This is completely free to use, and all you need to do is select the color of the text and the background of it. So for example, let's go for a nice red, and we're going to type in hello there. And obviously make sure you have it highlighted as well, and click red just to make sure that is done. Once you've finished, you do need to click copy text as Discord formatted, because that's going to include the code. Open back up Discord, and then just Control V, and you can see it's included the code for you, and just click enter. And as you can see, it's now added it with a different color. Any questions, please leave them down below, and a special shout out to Rebane for the website.